5 money mistakes you should avoid at all costs. When you are starting out, you may make some less than stellar decisions regarding your finances. But it's important to keep in mind that the choices you make today and the habits you form now can affect the rest of your financial life. Learn the 5 biggest mistakes you can make with your money, plus how to avoid them. 1. Not having a financial plan. Your financial future depends on how you're planning your finances right now. People spend countless hours watching TV or scrolling through their social media feeds, but setting aside 2 hours a week for their finances is out of the question. You need to know where you are going. Make spending some time planning your finances a priority. 2. Living paycheck to paycheck. In June 2021, the U.S. household personal savings rate was 9.4%. Many households may live paycheck to paycheck, and an unforeseen problem can easily become a disaster if you are not prepared. The cumulative result of overspending puts people into a precarious position, one in which they need every dime they earn, and one missed paycheck would be disastrous. This is not the position you want to find yourself in when an economic recession hits. If this happens, you'll have very few options. Many financial planners will tell you to keep 6 months' worth of expenses in an account where you can access it quickly. Loss of employment or changes in the economy could drain your savings and place you in a cycle of debt paying for debt. If you found value on this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. 3. Paying interest on your credit card debt. If you've got credit card debt, put a strategy in place for getting rid of it. Don't panic if you haven't got a handy lump sum to magic away the full amount. You can achieve the same end result by transferring the debt to a 0% balance credit card. To avoid paying interest for a fixed time, up to 30 months, and paying off a set amount every month. Some cards come with a small balance transfer fees, so make sure you do the math. Do set up a direct debit to avoid missing minimum payments and being stung with high charges. If you still have debt after the 0% period ends, move to another deal. Do not use this card for purchases. 4. Buying a new car. Millions of new cars are sold each year, although few buyers can afford to pay for them in cash. However, the inability to pay cash for a new car can also mean an inability to afford the car. Furthermore, by borrowing money to buy a car, the consumer pays interest on a depreciating asset, which amplifies the difference between the value of the car and the price paid for it. Worse yet, many people trade in their cars every 2 or 3 years and lose money on every trade. Sometimes a person has no choice but to take out a loan to buy a car, but how many consumers really need a large SUV? Such vehicles are expensive to buy, insure, and fuel. Unless you tow a boat or trailer or need an SUV to earn a living, it can be disadvantageous to purchase one. If you need to buy a car and borrow money to do so, consider buying one that uses less gas and costs less to insure and maintain. Cars are expensive, and if you're buying more of a car than you need, you might be burning through money that could have been saved or used to pay off debt. 5. Not investing in retirement. If you do not get your money working for you in the markets or through other income-producing investments, you may never be able to stop working. Making monthly contributions to designated retirement accounts is essential for a comfortable retirement. Take advantage of tax-deferred retirement accounts and your employer-sponsored plan. Understand the time your investments will have to grow and how much risk you can tolerate. Consult a qualified financial advisor to match this with your goals if possible. If you like this channel, please subscribe and write your thoughts on comment section. Thank you for watching.